water don't stop even the flow is just keep going like that. Calling there because my water is still leaking somewhere, and this is the line of water here, but when I shut it off, it's still flowing, so that's how it is. My toilet is leaking, so I'm gonna replace the line and the valve itself right here. So let's go shut some water. Okay, bathroom, because it's leaking, so now I want to shut my main water. So the bathroom, you want to leave the faucet open, drain all the water from the line. So the nut is very tough, so you want to spray W2 on here to take off. So you want to shut off the water before you do this, okay? Okay. So the room kind of tight, and I got it loose. And okay. So this is a piece you want to change, okay? So I bought this about $10, this about $6-7. So this is easier. It's 16 inches, but you want to put this, and then the housing. You want to tighten it, make sure it's not loose. So if you call a plumbing, they want about $250. Okay, that one. Slowly. So that's good. So now you want to connect this. So I already plumbing this. So. So you want to turn this, so now you see my hands. You want to get it tight so the water won't leak. Okay. Well, look like I fixed the problem. No water leaking, and I replaced everything's all new here, and the housing here, the whole everything, but I replaced the silent filter valve kit and also the hole in the line, but the water was leaking in the toilet, and I replaced that, and this new kit. So this purchase at Home Depot about $28. Okay, so my problem is fixed. Well, you test it out, it's no leaking. The main concern is you want to make sure no leaking at all, so working good. My master bedroom also leak, also the water keep leaking even you shut off the valve, so gonna replace, and also replace this line. You want to put a new one on, it's good, and I said it's about $6 and $9 here, so this helps. So if you hire like plumber, cost about $250. Okay, let's allow it. Shut off the water first and drain all the water. So I'm losing another one here, so you might get a wrench here. Okay, I already did lose, so that's probably the problem, that leak. So I removed this also, so I replace everything's new. Okay. So you want to do that because so the washer here, they still have it. And you put this underneath. You want to adjust it. Okay, it take me about almost 2 hours to do it, so let's just tie them and then tie vibrate. Yeah, if you can do it yourself, say loud or money, so. Okay, now let's go turn on the water. So, there's no leak, so hopefully, let's wait and see.